Hi everyone! In this video, I'll show you the easiest way to add subtitles to your videos using Premiere Pro. Let's get started. Once your video is loaded, go to the top menu. Click on Window, then hover over Workspaces and choose Captions and Graphics. This will open up the workspace we'll be using. Now look for the text panel and click on it. In the Transcript tab, you'll see a button that says Transcribe Sequence. Click on that. A new window will pop up where you can tweak the settings. For now, let's keep it simple and just click Transcribe. Premiere Pro will start analyzing the audio and transcribing the speech into text. It's pretty accurate most of the time, but if you notice any errors, you can easily fix them. Just double-click on the words that need correcting and type in the right text. Once done, click out of it to save. Once you're satisfied with the transcription, click on the CC button. A dialog box will appear with options to customize the appearance of your subtitles. You can choose from various presets. If you expand Preferences, you can change more settings, like the maximum length, the minimum duration, and the gap between captions. You can also decide if you want the captions to be displayed as 1 or 2 lines. Once you're happy with your settings, click on Create Captions. Premiere Pro will now create a new caption layer on your timeline with your synced subtitles. You can see them displayed over your video. If you want to adjust the look of your subtitles, you can select the entire caption layer and customize the font, size, and more. And that's it. You've successfully added subtitles to your video using Adobe Premiere Pro. If this video helped, support us with a like and share your questions and thoughts in the comments below.